through our primate classification chart. We're going to start on this side with the strepsirrhine prosimians. These are going to have more primitive features that resemble the ancestral form. This includes a dental comb where the incisors of the mandible, the lower jaw, stick straight forward for grooming. They have 9 nails but retain 1 claw that is also used for grooming, and they only have partial protection of the eye in the form of a postorbital bar. Everything else you'll learn is a haplorhine anthropoid that has more derived features, which means they've changed since the ancestral form. The main one here is they have full protection of the eye in the form of postorbital closure. And our tarsier, who doesn't really fit well anywhere, is kind of put here just because he does share features of both groups, but his DNA is more like the haplorhine, so we're going to put him here just to say he does kind of belong here, but he doesn't fit in any of the categories perfectly. So the haplorhines first are going to be divided into the platyrrhines and the catarrhines. The platyrrhines are called New World monkeys. They are only monkeys. Their defining features, they have a 2-1-3-3 dental formula, so they have a third premolar. Some of them have prehensile tails, which means the tails are long and can grasp things. They tend to be arboreal and live in the trees, and they are found only in Central and South America. The other group is the catarrhines. These are Old World monkeys, apes, and humans. Their defining feature is they have the same dental formula as we do, 2-1-2-3. The Old World monkeys are branched down into the cercopithecoids. They are terrestrial. They have a bilophodont molar, meaning it has 4 cusps, and they are found in Africa and Asia. That leaves the apes and humans, which are hominoids, also terrestrial. We are the largest in our body and brain size. We have a Y5 molar with 5 cusps, and we're also found in Africa and Asia. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these skulls in person. So we're going to start here with a non-primate, which is a dog. And as you see, one of the features that it has is because it has this long snout, it's using its sense of smell. There's absolutely no protection of the eye. This animal doesn't rely on vision nearly as much as it does on smell. Moving into the strepsirrhines, we can see at least there is a ring of bone around the eye. This is the postorbital bar. There's still a little bit of a snout, so they're kind of transitioning from smell to vision. And down here you can see the dental comb. So you can see how these incisors stick straight forward, and that is a defining feature of this group. Everything else on this table is going to be a haplorhine. It's going to have full postorbital closure, meaning the entire eye is surrounded by bone. Okay, so this clues you in that these animals use vision as their main source. Here we can see this New World monkey has a dental formula of 2-1-3-3. You start in the center, and then you are going to count 2 incisors, 1 canine, 3 premolars, and 3 molars for a 2-1-3-3 formula. Moving now into our 2 types of catarrhines, we have cercopithecoids, which are going to be our Old World monkeys. They have a 2-1-2-3 dental formula, and their molars, their back molars, have 4 cusps, so they are bilophodont. Last, our catarrhine hominoids, which are our apes and humans, also have a 2-1-2-3 dental formula, but their molars actually have 5 cusps, and so that would be a Y5 molar. The last thing I wanted to point out is just some differences. We'll learn about this when we talk more about bipedalism. You can see here that the structures of the hands between a human and an ape are pretty similar, although the ape is very much, has way longer fingers for grasping. But the biggest difference is going to be in the foot. So here you can see in an ape, they still have an opposable big toe for grasping, so their hands and feet look pretty much the same. Humans are going to develop a non-opposable big toe, which is going to help in bipedalism.